Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Asunlocker solution. We are going to help you how can you buy the DFT Pro. There are many customers cannot buy the DFT Pro and they also cannot think that how can they get the username and password anything and how can they also register to Activa. So DFT Pro you can directly order with your username and password and email that you want to create. It will be automatically created and will be activated for you, so no need to register any others file and no need to buy any username or password from others. You can directly create username and password with activation. So how can you buy this activation? Go to asunlocker.com, log in your account. You can see I have already logged in my account on asunlocker.com. You can see the asunlocker.com. Then you can see here the option order now. If you have no money on your account, you can directly add credit from this option. You can add fund by PayPal, Skrill, USDT and others bank card, and we also accept Pix payment for Brazil user, and we also Paytm accepted and Western Union, MoneyGram. We have a lot of payment system that you can choose and you can add credit. So go to order now and select the server service to active any box or dongle or buy any credit. So you have to choose the server service. Server service, you can see here the search option. Type here that service you want, you can search here and you can see the service. If you cannot see the service, you can scroll your mouse here and you can see your service. You can also up and down this icon. I am finding the DFT Pro and I have typed in here DFT Pro. You can see here the DFT Pro tool activation for 1 year. So here you can see the username, password, email and username option, and it will take 5 to 10 minutes to be active. So I will type here my own password. That's I want to set any password I can type here, and any email of mine I can type here. Also I can download the tool from this link, and username that's I want I can type here, and I will type that's username and password I have already saved in here. My user sent me this username and password to create for him. Username is yes. I will hide this username and password for security reason of my user. Password field and email. You can type any username, any password and your own email to create the account. Then click on the place order option. You can see here the place order. Click the place order option. You can see your order has been successfully placed. If you are already connected via Telegram, you can also check your Telegram. You have got a text on Telegram that order has been placed, and when your order will be completed, you will get a notification on your Telegram. We have Telegram. You can connect your Telegram from this option, connect Telegram. Click here and you will get the your prayer code. We are waiting to complete the order. How can you check the order? You can see here the order history. Click on the order history, then server. When you will order server service, you have to check this on server service. If you order on the IB service, so you have to find your history on IB service. Our order was on server service, so we will find this on server service history. You can see this order is pending. It may take up to 5 minutes. We are waiting to complete. We can check again our order history. We can check again our order history, server order. It is in process. You can see order is in process. It may take 1 to 10 minutes up to be completed. Until complete we can wait. We can check again our order history. We can reload the page. It is completed or not. Few times the API take time to replay. Also after order you can check the order username and password. Try to log in on DFT Pro. You can see new user successfully registered. It is completed to register for 1 year. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope this video will be helpful for you, and you can buy DFT Pro and you can buy any service from asunlocker.com. Thanks for watching my video, and stay with Asunlocker solution, and also unlock your any phone and buy any activation from asunlocker.com.